Out in Fargo, our weather cam shows overcast skies. We did have a few snowflakes in the area earlier, and there's still some snowflakes coming down in Fargo. But heading into the evening hours for that date night that you may have planned, we should be done with the snowflakes. We're just looking at cloudy skies, temperatures on either side of 10 degrees, so a frigid night, but a good excuse to cuddle with your partner. Aside from that, again, any leftover flakes will be gone for tonight. And then little chance of precip over the next several days. So we're going to be dry over the next several days. But I want to first alert you to the brutal cold making a return for this weekend. And it's going to stay cold throughout most of next week. But a warm up is on the way, expecting above average highs as we head towards the end of next week. First, what's happening now regarding that snow. Most of the snow is out in the northern half of Lakes Country. A couple of flakes to the east of Grand Forks, but both of these showers are very light. Little accumulations expected from them. Taking a closer look, most of the snow is coming down from this band right here that's affecting Pine Point, White Earth, Mahnomen, Ulen, all seeing snowflakes. Detroit Lakes also seeing some snowflakes, as well as Frazee. Heading into the evening hours, we're probably looking at a dusting to half an inch of snow accumulation out in Lakes Country due to that band of snow. Less than half an inch across those areas, and the rest of our region should stay dry. And thereafter, we're going to be staying dry throughout the next several days. No snow chances expected for the next several days. One thing we're keeping an eye on is the bitter cold. We do have another cold weather advisory across the central and northern Red River Valley and across most of eastern North Dakota from midnight to 12 p.m. tomorrow. That's because we could see wind chills as low as 35 below across most of eastern North Dakota, which can cause frostbite in minutes. Currently seeing wind chills in the 20s below zero in the Devils Lake Basin, 11 below in Jamestown, 3 below in Fargo, versus just above zero in Lakes Country. So Lakes Country warmer in terms of wind chills compared to eastern North Dakota. Heading into tonight, again, any leftover flakes will be out of our region by 8 to 9 o'clock, and thereafter we're just looking at cloudy skies for your Saturday morning commute. Here's part of the reason why we're seeing those bitterly low wind chills for your morning commute. Morning lows will be in the single digits below zero, and we have a northerly breeze coming through, gusting about 20 to 30 miles per hour for your morning commute. By the afternoon hour, still looking at overcast skies, but our region should stay dry with temperatures on either side of zero for your afternoon commute. And then heading into Sunday morning, still dealing with that bitter cold. We will see a couple of breaks in the clouds for your Sunday morning commute. Regarding wind chills will be in the teens to 20s below zero throughout the first half of next week. And it's not until Saturday that we finally see wind chills above zero as we get into the 20s for our afternoon high on next Saturday. And towards the last few days of February, we're looking at highs in the 30s.
I'm already kind of focused on next week, just kind of getting back to above average temperatures this winter.
Just keep cruising along with those temperatures and we should be okay.
Exactly. Joseph, thank you so much.